Good evening. Today we'll discuss about the NEET exam which is conducted for medical admission in various government and private hospitals. In this video, we'll discuss full information about NEET. We'll also discuss in Hindi because Hindi students can also understand. And every student who is preparing for NEET exam or whose target is NEET exam should must watch full video for full information. So first of all, we should know what is the full form of NEET exam. NEET exam is National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test Exam. हिंदी में इसको राष्ट्रीय पात्रता व प्रवेश परीक्षा के नाम से जाना जाता है। अब हम देखेंगे कि इसका यूज क्या है, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ नीट एग्जाम. देन विल सी NEET is a medical entrance exam which is conducted by National Testing Agency on all level. Through this exam, students get admission in government or private medical colleges in India, including AIIMS, JIPMER and FMC पुणे. मेडिकल नीट एग्ज़ाम जो है वो मेडिकल में एडमिशन के लिए नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी के द्वारा कंडक्ट किया जाता है और यह ऑल इंडिया लेवल पे होता है. और इस एग्ज़ाम के माध्यम से जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, प्राइवेट कॉलेज, जो भी मेडिकल कॉलेजेस हैं उसमें वो अपना एडमिशन लेते हैं, इंक्लूडिंग इसमें एम्स, जिपमर और एफएमसी भी शामिल है. नीट की दो कैटेगरी हैं, नीट अंडर ग्रेजुएट. इसका कंडक्ट करने का मेन मोटो होता है एमबीबीएस में, बीडीएस में और बीएचएमएस में एडमिशन लेना. नीट पीजी जो है वह एमडी और एमएस, ये स्पेशली जो लोग एमबीबीएस या बीडीएस कर चुके होते हैं वह स्पेशलाइजेशन कोर्सेज के लिए इसमें एग्ज़ाम को देते हैं और इस एग्ज़ाम को सीईटी, कॉमन एंट्रेंस टेस्ट के नाम से जाना जाता है. अब सीट एलोकेशन की बात करें तो हर राज्य का अपना अपना मेडिकल कॉलेज है जिसमें सीट को एलोकेट किया गया है दो कैटेगरी में, सेंट्रल और स्टेट. 15% सीट जो होता है वह सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के कोटे में आता है, जबकि 85% सीट जो होता है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कोटा में आता है. अब एलिजिबिलिटी की इसकी बात करें, students must pass 12th exam with physics, chemistry and biology or biotechnology. Minimum percentage to appear in this exam should be 50% for unreserved category or general category. Minimum percentage should be 45% in 12 for unreserved PWT category, and minimum percentage should be 40% in 12 for reserve category, that is OBC, SC, ST, reserved PWD. If you will see the age limit, age should be at least 17 years to appear in this exam. If you'll see the mode of exam, it is conducted in offline mode, that is on pen and paper mode, which is on OMR sheet. If you'll see the schedule of exam, it is mostly conducted in the month of May every year. But due to the COVID, you know, whole schedule of the examination has been changed, or you can say the disturbed. If you'll see the type of questions, objective multiple type questions is asked. This exam also having negative marking. If we'll see the total number of marks, there are 720 marks and duration of exam is 3 hours. The total number of questions is 180. If we'll see the total number of questions comes 200, but students has to answer only 180 questions. Every subject having two sections, A and B. You will see physics having 35 questions in section A, 15 in section B, chemistry 35 in section A, 15 in section B, botany 35, 15, zoology 35, 15, total 720 marks. Each question contains 4 marks and every wrong answer 1 marks will be deducted as negative marking. Earlier, there was no limit of attempt to appear in the exam, but government has decided to allow only 3 attempts from the NEET in 2021. But after a major uproar by the students and cases in Supreme Court, the same limits has been removed and now there is no limit of attempts in NEET examination. Thank you. If you like this video and if you'll get all the information regarding NEET, please subscribe and share. Thank you.